Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Do you hear that? It's snoring. It's a growl. It's an animal. It's an old lady. It's someone with nasal problems. No, it's the doggy. Yes, folks, yes. Here we have it, Pookie. He is snoring. And, what? You're awake? I thought you were sleeping. Hi, Pookie. Hi. No? No picture? You don't like it? No? There you have it, folks. The only snoring dog in his natural habitat. See how he lays during the day. This is common for the male pug. Yes, this is truly a wonder, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to go and see something of this nature. Ah, yes. Wonder if he'll bite me if I touch it. Let's give it a go. Folks, this is a miracle. He hasn't bitten me. This is truly amazing. This really is. I feel so blessed now. We'll leave the little critter to keep on sleeping. Reporting to you from National Geographic. I am Ubla Blank Bacon. Sayonara.